Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and cutting the first drop, because accuracy here sets the whole job. Cut a strip slightly longer than wall height and square the top. Mix the paste to the exact manufacturer ratio and allow it to rest 5–10 minutes so adhesive activates. Apply a consistent thin coat of paste to the wall or backing as instructed. Press from top to bottom and smooth once to set contact. Once done, align the strip with the ceiling line and hook the top edge in place. You now focus on the critical middle steps, matching and smoothing. Bring the next drop up tight to the previous edge, matching pattern within 2–3 mm so seams disappear. Use a soft brush to push paste out and a seam roller to ensure edges bond without stretching. Work top to bottom with overlapping strokes, cutting away paste squeeze out with a damp sponge. Once aligned, trim excess at the base using a straight edge and a new blade. Make recurring checks for level as you progress. You finish by trimming the top and base cleanly and removing all paste residue before it dries. Run a final seam roller along every junction and inspect with a raking light to reveal any small lifts. Once the wall dries, usually 24 hours, recheck edges. If a corner lifts, lift the edge, apply a dot of paste, and re-roll firmly to bond. Keep spare scraps for patching later. If a large bubble appears, pierce, press out air, and smooth. This simple fix prevents larger failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.